In January 2026, GitHub made a move that's sending ripples through the developer world. OpenCode, the popular terminal-based coding agent, is now officially supported by GitHub Copilot. This isn't just a technical update, it's a signal that the way we use AI coding tools is about to change dramatically. For years, developers have wanted more flexibility in how and where they use Copilot's powerful models. Now, thanks to this partnership, both individual coders and enterprises can access Copilot's model garden directly from their terminals. Let's dive into why this is such a big deal and what it means for the future of coding. Just a few weeks ago, some developers using OpenCode with their Copilot subscriptions received alarming emails from GitHub security. Their accounts were flagged for unusual activity and even suspended. The workaround that let OpenCode users access Copilot had always been unofficial, and GitHub's systems saw it as a potential abuse. This created anxiety for thousands of users who relied on OpenCode for their daily workflows. But behind the scenes, this tension was building toward a much bigger announcement, one that would soon make these worries a thing of the past. OpenCode, an open-source, terminal-based coding agent, had become a favorite for developers who preferred working outside of traditional IDEs. With over 60,000 GitHub stars and 650,000 monthly users, it offered a lightweight, keyboard-driven interface for AI coding. But because it wasn't officially supported, users faced constant uncertainty. Would their accounts be suspended next? Despite this, OpenCode's popularity only grew, fueled by a community that valued open-source tools and flexible workflows. Everything changed on the 16th of January, 2026. GitHub posted a short 17-second video on X, announcing that Copilot subscriptions could now be used officially with OpenCode. The message was simple but powerful. No more suspensions. No more workarounds. OpenCode quickly followed up, confirming that with a Pro Plus subscription, users could access the best coding models directly from their terminals. For the developer community, this was a huge quality-of-life upgrade. And for enterprises, it opened up entirely new possibilities. With this partnership, developers no longer have to worry about losing access or being flagged for using their preferred tools. OpenCode can now be used officially with GitHub Copilot, making it easier than ever to integrate powerful AI models into terminal-based workflows. This isn't just a minor convenience, it's a fundamental shift in how developers can work, giving them more freedom and flexibility to choose the tools that fit their style. If you haven't tried OpenCode, here's what you need to know. It's an AI coding agent that runs directly in your terminal. There's no heavy Electron framework, no browser tabs, just a fast, lightweight interface that feels right at home in a Unix environment. Built by Anomaly and fully open source, OpenCode has become one of the most popular coding agents outside of the big IDE plugins. It supports a wide range of models, including Claude, GPT, Gemini, and now, officially, GitHub Copilot. OpenCode isn't just about running AI in the terminal. It's packed with features that developers love: LSP, integration for smart code understanding, model context protocol for extensibility, multi-session management, and an auto-compact feature that summarizes conversations when you hit context limits. It's a tool built by developers. For developers, especially those who prefer keyboard-driven workflows, live in tmux and NeoVim, or SSH, into remote machines. Across Reddit and Hacker News, it's been called one of the best coding harnesses ever built. Before this partnership, Copilot subscribers were limited to using the tool in specific environments like VS Code, JetBrains, Xcode, and a few others. Now, with OpenCode, that same subscription unlocks access to Copilot's entire model garden right from the terminal. The Pro Plus plan, at $39 per month, gives users 1,500 premium requests and access to top models like Claude Opus 4.5, GPT-5, 2 Codex, Gemini 3, and xAI's Grok Code, Fast 1, all through a single subscription. For developers juggling multiple AI subscriptions, this is a game changer. One of the biggest benefits of this partnership is consolidation. Instead of managing separate subscriptions to Anthropic, OpenAI, and Google, developers can now access all the best models through a single Copilot Pro Plus subscription. This means one bill, one authentication flow, and seamless access to the latest and greatest AI coding models from every major provider. It's a huge step forward in simplifying the developer experience and reducing friction in daily workflows. For enterprises, the official partnership is even more significant. Before, using OpenCode with Copilot meant relying on unofficial integrations, which couldn't pass security reviews or compliance checks. Now, with GitHub's blessing, OpenCode is a viable option for enterprise adoption. This means organizations can leverage terminal-based AI coding while maintaining strict security, audit trails, and compliance with frameworks like GDPR and HIPAA. It's a green light for CTOs who want to empower their teams without compromising on governance. GitHub Enterprise Cloud already supports data residency for organizations with strict geographic requirements. With the new partnership, enterprises using custom domains for GDPR, HIPAA, or other compliance frameworks can use OpenCode with those same protections. Plus, official integrations inherit Copilot's comprehensive audit logging, making it easier for organizations to track and manage AI-assisted coding activities. This level of transparency and control is essential for large-scale enterprise adoption. This move is part of a broader strategy by GitHub. Copilot started as a plugin for VS Code, then expanded to JetBrains, Xcode, Eclipse, NeoVim, and more. Now, by supporting third-party tools like OpenCode, GitHub is positioning Copilot as a platform, not just a product. This approach mirrors what made VS Code so successful, building an ecosystem, supporting extensions, and letting the community innovate. OpenCode is the first major third-party agent to get official Copilot support, but it won't be the last. The competition in AI coding tools is heating up. Cursor is gaining traction as a full IDE replacement with agent capabilities. Amazon's Code Whisperer, now Q Developer, is pushing AWS integration, and Tab9 offers on-premise deployment for privacy-first enterprises. By opening Copilot to tools like OpenCode, GitHub is making its platform stickier. Developers are less likely to switch if their subscription works everywhere they code. This move strengthens GitHub's position in a rapidly evolving market. GitHub's leadership has spoken about AI coding assistants becoming as fundamental as the compiler. This partnership with OpenCode is a step in that direction. By officially supporting open-source tools, even those that compete with their own interfaces, GitHub is betting that developers care more about model access and compliance than about which editor they use. For developers, this means less anxiety about account suspensions and more freedom to experiment. For enterprises, it signals that terminal-based AI coding is mature and ready for prime time. The partnership between GitHub and OpenCode is more than just a technical integration. It's a recognition that the best coding tools might not always come from the biggest companies. By supporting open-source innovation and giving developers more choice, GitHub is shaping the future of AI-assisted coding. Whether you're an individual developer or part of a large enterprise, this move promises a more flexible, secure, and powerful coding experience. And that's a much bigger deal than a 17-second video might suggest.